Yeah.
To the boat.
Yeah, we're going to the boat. Hold up, push him. Push him, baby. Hey, man. We going to the boat, man. Oh, you. Hey, bro. Hey. Bro, you fly today. You got Mickey on your shirt. Then you got the pieces on your feet, boy. All right. Hey, man, in here with the characters. Watching Mickey Mouse. Look. Look. Look, man. Hey, look. Hey. You missing it. He don't care.
Come on, take a step. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Take a step.
Hey.
Come on, back up. He was gonna walk.
First time to Disney, huh? Huh? Yeah, first time to Disney. Go blue Mickey shirt. I go blue dad Mickey shirt. You know? Land you motherfucker. Now, J-My CJ in the back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to King Junior. As you can see, King Junior is literally going out on Disneyland to celebrate his first birthday as a 1-year-old beautiful handsome baby. So leave a comment below and try to wish King Junior a happy beautiful birthday.